How to download GIF from Twitter or X. So this is very simple. First, let's just start. Open up your X and just search for a GIF that you want to download. Now I have just selected one randomly. Now what you have to do here is just copy its link. Now you will need to download an app. So first, to download that app, go to your app store and search for Twitter video download or Twitter video saver. Anyone works. The one I use is this right here. It's called TweetDown. It's a Twitter video saver. So after you tap on it, make sure that you've installed it. Now make sure to allow paste. Now just paste the link that you've copied earlier and click on find. Now after you click on find, you can see all the videos that I've gotten from the link. Just click on save and it will download it, and there you can see the video has been downloaded. So that is how you do it, guys. That is how you download GIFs from X. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Bye bye.